Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple and quick breakfast recipe. So in this video I used both a factory sliced bread and a loaf of bread that I simply sliced by hand roughly. So basically any kind of bread that you have on you, it's also fine. It's really just about preference. So I basically just used the things that I already had at home and pretty much what I prefer, and that's the thing I love about this recipe and pretty much almost all my recipes really. You can just use whatever it is that you have and you'd see how it will turn out beautifully, because it's not just about making it yours and having an enjoyable, fun meal. You can also like spice things up and switch up with bacon, sardines, whatever it is that you like to see in it. I basically made this work for me. Most importantly, enjoy making this breakfast and enjoy eating it. So this is a slight variation of the same recipe, except that I used much more eggs and I added tomatoes at the same time that I added the pepper. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.